Headlamp bulb replacement in a BMW E90. This is a 320D and it is the low beam that we're going to be replacing today. So as you can see on this side the outer bulb is working, and on this side only the park light is working. So I'm going to be replacing this bulb here in this video. So you want to turn the wheels in towards the wheel arch, and what I'm doing in my setup is I'm going to jack it up to make it a bit easier. And you come down under here, and when you come down under here there is a cover on this side. It's missing on this vehicle, but as you can see there, you get in towards the back of it. Now like I said, there should be a plastic cover there, but it's missing on this one. But I want to show you the view from under the bonnet as well. So the access from this side is very restricted, so you want to make sure that you're going in under the wheel arch when you're doing this. So even though it's quite dirty, you'll still get to see what I'm doing here. So this clip up here, you want to pop that up. So you just pull up on it like that, and this drops back. So you catch a hold, pull that back, and that comes out. With that removed, you can then see the bulb that you need to replace. So it's got this 2-pin connector on it, and that pulls straight back. You might have to wiggle it a little bit as it's coming out. You don't want to pull too hard in case you damage this retaining clip, because you will remove that after. And there you see, that's that clip removed. And then you can see this holder, it's a push in and to the side. So you push in, turn right and drop down, and that leaves access to the bulb to be removed. And when it's coming out, this position here, it's a H7 bulb, and this is upward, so that's at 12 o'clock. You just need to remember that. So that's the blown bulb there, and this is the new one here. Try at all costs to avoid touching the glass. Hold it at the back, and remember this goes up to 12 o'clock when refitting. So I've just reinstalled the bulb there, and with that retaining clip you just push in and hook it to the left to make sure that it holds in firmly. And now all I have to do is put back on the connection and it's ready to go. So just a quick tip on this one as well. I have a light in my camera here which is illuminating it, but if you are doing this, a good thing you can do, I'll just knock off the light now. So I have another light in under the bonnet here, which I come with my hand on this side. So I put this under the bonnet, and I can shine and I can get a good view. It is restricted space under the arch, and it's hard to fit a light as well in with it. So if you come in the inside down here with your torch, you'll be able to shine it down there and you'll be able to work away hands-free down the bottom. Okay, so I have the connector now on. That's simply a straight push on, and I always, before I put everything back together, I check the lights to make sure that they're working, and I'm going to do that now. So as you can see, I now have my lights back working, and the last thing I need to do is, they're the bottom retaining clips, so you push down and then push in on the top. So you fit it in like this, slide in and drop it in, and make sure that this rubber seal is reseated again. That can get stuck as you're pulling out. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.